Hey, you said you would watch a movie with me 2 hours ago. You're still working. I even waited an extra hour just in case you needed a few minutes. What's going on? But you still have 2 days. 2 whole days. You could work on it tomorrow and have it done in time. Wait, so does that mean it's due at some point in the middle of the second day? Or at midnight, the end of the second day? What? So you have 3 whole days? You liar! You scoundrel! You utter thief! Sooner rather than later? You could still get it done before the deadline if you work on it tomorrow. How much of it do you even have left? That's hardly anything at all. You could get that done in what? Half an hour? 45 minutes tops? See? That's nothing. It'll take you no time at all. Just put it off to the side for a few hours so we can watch this movie, and then you can come back to it afterwards. No! That's not what I meant. I was trying to tell you that it'll make it easier to come back to. As in, come back to later. You know, after we watch the movie. You've been working all day. And I've just been getting lonely. I know I was just in the living room playing games, but I missed you. I didn't want to disturb you. I know that this is the best day for you to do your work, so I didn't want to distract you from it. But you're almost always done by now, and we get to spend the rest of the night together. I was just really looking forward to having you all to myself. Sorry. I know how that sounds. I promise I'm not trying to be clingy or overbearing. I was just really looking forward to, you know, some us time. Just you and me. Are you sure? 'Cause I feel like I'm being a bit too much. I really shouldn't be trying to interrupt you while you're working. I know it's really important to you that you get everything done in time. I don't want to be the reason that you can't get it done. That's really sweet of you. Trying to get everything done today so we can spend more time together. It's a good idea. I want to spend more time with you in the week too. I was just hoping that we could have like a huge chunk of time together today. I'm just being impatient. Go ahead and finish your work. I'll be good and wait a bit longer. Just let me know when you're done, okay? Babe, really, it's okay. We can still spend time together later after you finish up. It shouldn't be too much longer after all. I can be patient and wait for you in the living room. We can start the movie when you're ready. A compromise? What do you mean? Don't get me wrong. That sounds really, really nice. But are you sure? I don't think that me getting all cuddly with you would help you focus. You know how touchy I get. I guess. If you're sure I won't distract you. I won't lie. I like this a lot. I know I'm still keeping you from being completely focused on your work. Don't try to lie to me and say that I'm not. But I'm glad that you suggested this. Call me greedy, but now that I'm here, I'm gonna stay right here next to you for the rest of the night. And there's no way you're getting rid of me now. I'm glad to hear that. I don't want to get rid of you either, just so you know. So, what are you working on right now? Oh. Babe, I'm not going to lie. I didn't understand a word you just said. I understood them individually, but when you said them together, all the context I usually apply just disappears, and my brain just goes to static. Okay, I'm gonna stop asking questions so you can keep working. I promise. I'll be quiet. What does it look like I'm doing? I'm taking your hand for myself. Because I'm bored and I want to play with your hand. No, you can type with one hand. I mean, it'll take a bit longer, but that's a sacrifice I'm willing to make. It's my hand now. It's my hand to hold and touch and play with. And you get back to work. I'll give it back to you when you're done. So, how's it going? Making good progress? Like I said, it's not your hand anymore. It's my hand. And I get to hold it while you work because I'm being patient. It's my reward for being so good. Yes, I am being good. I'm on my best behavior over here. I'm being so patient and sweet. And you know I'm usually not patient. I mean, yes, I am usually sweet, but that's a different subject entirely. I'm just naturally sweet to you because I can't help it. You're my favorite person in the whole world, so I always want to be nice to you. Hey, I can quit being nice to you anytime I want. It wouldn't even be that hard. Fine. You're right. I hate it when you're right. Yeah, you always get the little twinkle in your eye and this smug grin. It's actually really hot. Which sucks, because I want to be annoyed with you, but I can't because I want to kiss you instead. Well, yeah, duh. But I always want to kiss you. So don't go acting like this is something you can hold against me. Well, shut up. Hey, that's not fair. You didn't tell me you were going to kiss me. I didn't even have a chance to respond. You have to kiss me again now. Fine. But more kisses later, right? And I can keep holding your hand? Hey. Now you're just teasing me. If you're going to kiss me, at least quit trying to catch me off guard. Just let me know when you want to kiss. You know that I'd be more than happy to give you as many as you want. I'd actually love that. Huh? Well, of course I do. Kissing you is easily one of my favorite things ever. Yeah, really? What? Do you not believe me? Because you know that I love getting kisses. What do you mean, thank me properly? I mean, don't get me wrong. I know I've been good, but there's no reason for you to feel like you have to reward me. Huh? Oh. You meant you wanted to reward me with kisses. I get it now. Yes, please. It feels so good. Can I put my hands on you? I want to hold you. You're mine for the night now, right? All mine. I love you so much. I missed you all day. I wanted you so bad. loving me. I know I don't need to thank you for your love. It just feels like I need to thank someone or something for bringing us together. It kind of just slipped out. And I said it because you're all I can think about. You're right, I guess. If I'm going to thank anyone or anything, I'll thank the stars. I'll thank the stars above for aligning and bringing us into each other's lives, so we can love and treasure each other. Yeah, I think they knew what they were doing too. They always do seem to know how to guide us humans to what we desire, don't they? Now, I think those very generous stars above would be disappointed if we didn't take advantage of the miracle of genuine love that they've granted us. Please, keep kissing me.